Well, Glock 45 love, man. Getting used to it now. Understand it now. Colder than the motherfucker out here, boy. Y'all niggas don't even know. And I'm doing this for y'all. And I gotta get used to it too. But hey, y'all here. Quick little mag done. Fuck with it, y'all. Hey, I kinda like the Glock 45. I mean, I already knew I was gonna like it for sure, but it's kind of grown on me. It's pretty much just like the PSA dagger. It just got that Glock stamp on it. And I put the 3.5 disconnector in this one too, so that motherfucker crispy.